Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So today I'm going to make chicken afritada with fresh pineapples. So here are our ingredients. So we have onions, garlic. Our main ingredients is chicken. Fresh pineapple juice, I added brown sugar, tomato sauce, green and red bell peppers, fresh pineapples, green peas, vegetable oils, carrots, potatoes, fish sauce, and salt. today I cook chicken afritada with fresh pineapples. So it's my first time to make. So hopefully Steve will like it.
Fresh pineapple sauce, because you took fresh pineapple and whipped it up, right?
Yeah.
And then chicken,
And
potatoes,
then rice, white
peas,
rice.
bell peppers. I see all kinds of stuff in there. Here, can I have some rice too? I'm off my diet. You were off your diet. You were going to be on a diet today.
Ta-da!
Ta-da, too late.
Looks so good.
I'll just have a little bit, because tomorrow I start working out.
Stop working now. Sauce is so delicious.
Oh, okay. Dang, it does look good. It smells good. Likes the idea.
Pineapple is so good.
I love that. I can't wait.
See that chicken. Chicken is so tender.
Sort of sweet, isn't it?
Because of the brown sugar of that pineapple, I added brown sugar.
Well, the pineapple itself is going to add sweetness too, right? Yeah. Muscle up, guys. Muscle up.
Not bad. First time, huh?
Not bad. It's real good. First time or not.
So rate 1 to 10. 10 is very delicious. 1 is no good.
I'm going to have to say 10.
10. So tonight, no diet tonight, cause
No diet.
I'm gonna have a lot of rice.
I'm going to have rice, but not a lot.
Yeah. Not but me,
This is nice.
lemon.
Usually I'm not crazy about the tomato.
Tomato sauce.
Well, tomato sauces, you know, they don't taste good. They don't. I don't know. I just never liked them like a. What's that sauce they put on, the red sauce they put on pizza?
Marinara.
Yeah, like a marinara. Don't like it.
Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully try it at home too. It's really good.
And you have to like, you have to subscribe. That's state law. No, not state law, but we'd
Please
appreciate
like
it.
and subscribe. Thank you.
We would appreciate it. Thank you.
Bye. See you in our next video. Bye.